If your garage door won't open, there's multiple reasons why it might be happening. By the end of this video, you'll know what usually causes this, what it takes to fix it, and how to avoid getting stuck or overpaying when it happens. Garage doors are heavy, sometimes 150 to 300 pounds, and they rely on a system of springs, cables, rollers, and tracks all working together. Most homeowners don't realize the door itself isn't doing the work. It's the spring system carrying the weight. When the springs break, the door can't lift properly anymore. Other times, it's worn rollers, bent tracks, or cables starting to fail. So even if it looks like a small issue, like noise or slow movement, it's usually a sign something inside the system is wearing out. Here's exactly what our team does when we show up for a garage door repair. First, we inspect the full system, not just the part that failed. We're checking the springs, cables, rollers, tracks, and the opener to understand what caused the issue, not just the symptom. Then we walk you through what we found in plain language so you understand what's actually going on. No pressure, no guessing. If it's a broken spring, we replace it with the correct size and tension for your specific door. If it's rollers or tracks, we repair or replace the damaged parts so everything runs smoothly again. Finally, we test the system multiple times, adjust the balance, and make sure everything is working safely and consistently. This is where a lot of repairs go wrong and where shortcuts usually happen. Some companies will just fix the obvious issue and leave worn parts behind, but that usually leads to another failure not long after. At Dynamic Garage Doors, we look at the full system because everything works together. We're not here to patch it temporarily. We want it working safely and reliably when we leave. We also take the time to explain your options so you're not making a decision under pressure. Once the repair is done, the difference is usually immediate. The door opens smoothly, closes evenly, and runs much quieter. If there are other worn components, we'll let you know what to keep an eye on so you're not caught off guard later. Most importantly, you're not stuck worrying if your garage door is going to fail the next time you need it. If your garage door is stuck, making noise, or just not working the way it should, the best first step is a quick inspection. We'll take a look, explain what's going on, and help you understand your options. And if you want to learn more about how garage doors work and what to watch for, check out the other videos in this playlist.